Welcome to another funny video, guys. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did when I was preparing it for you. Some people say that Jamaica is not a real place, and when people like this genius here can be found on the island, I honestly can't disagree.
How old are you?
24,
How old is your daughter?
26,
When you were born?
2011.
Where you live?
Commonwealth, Rosemont,
Which month you born?
in 2015. Yo dog, how am you? You know I know say me in a class to the youth and the teacher them a tell me say yo, a 30 minutes left till lunchtime come and see it. And then meet the young dad in the youth and then guess what go on? The teacher didn't let you till half an hour time, brother.
I wonder if this young man could make it in comedy. Those among us who are old enough will remember this other young man on Lime Tree Lane. That's Christopher Johnny Daly, who is now one of our top comedians. Lord Marsha, make you treat the man so bad. True, you know say him love you.
That's a wicked girl, Marsha.
Come on,
That's a wicked girl, Marsha.
Come out of me
This
now.
left this place, you're rain away from here.
Come out of me.
I'm a sticky, sticky.
Come
We not move.
out of me.
Marsha, we not moving. That's what I'm causing.
Yo, brother, watch it for out of me, brother.
Marsha, you see how I'm gonna disgrace me out here, Marsha.
Every day you come and
Marsha,
tell
you
me
see?
big music.
Marsha.
I tell you, me no want you to
Marsha,
come
you
out
can't.
of me.
Marsha, me love you. Marsha, me love you.
Come out
You
of
never
me.
find a man that can love you so yet, Marsha. You're a dude, man. So
Come out of me.
he's a wicked girl, you know. Come out there, Yardie, you know. Look, all right. Marsha.
Somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
This is how Jamaica's Domino lovers should play the game during the coronavirus quarantine.
And my player, I got double seat. And where are the big boy? Eh? The first one to play them, where are the? You can't stand there and obey the revelation of the law.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The government say one people must sit down round table at a time. Not four. One people. Me a go play domino all by myself. You think say me a go make no whole crowd come sit down around me and for me and sneeze and make them dagger nose me. After them dagger nose me, them put me in a guarantee. It nah go so. It nah go so. Oh, you pass.
So we can't join a big boy.
Join what? Listen me, back up. You think say you go for me, make me tell you so. Me a obey the rules and regulation of.
You're serious?
Serious. Of your time now. Oh, you pass, man. You pass. Me say me I go bow by you know. You.
We can make you laugh in so many different ways.
Jamaican joke. One day there was a policeman working dealing with the traffic. A madman go up to him and say, "Officer, what is the time?" The policeman run him and say, "Hey, mad boy, move from amongst me." The madman then came back again and said, "Officer, what is the time?" The policeman said, 2:30, where you want to know the time for? The madman said, "Officer, you see when you reach 3 o'clock, come kiss up my body hole." The officer get vexed and mad and start chase down the madman. The madman take a corner and then the policeman couldn't see him. So the policeman say a Chinese man and say, "Oi, you see where the madman gone?" The Chinese man say, "Yeah, where you want him for?" The policeman say, "Because him tell me say when at 3 o'clock, me fi come kiss out him body hole." The Chinese man look on the policeman and say, "Yo, I not 3 o'clock yet. You early."
Make me tell you no a little story. Me nah no man, so no woman nothing know about me. Why me lonely and yes my honey. Me pussy want fuck long time want it. This is the original mad girl song. Be up and I'm feelings with the whole out no man.
Yo, TikTok, wagwan. I got another joke for you, see? So Agnes married her husband and had 13 children. Unfortunately, he passed away. She got married again and had another 7 children.
What? Blood of Jesus!
With real bad luck, her 3rd husband passed away again after having another 5 children. Now it was Agnes's time. When Agnes passed away, while at the funeral, the pastor was preaching and praying, and the pastor thanked the Lord and said, "Lord, thank you so much for such a strong and wonderful woman. Finally, they are together again." One of the Mona in the funeral whispered to her friend and said, "Do you think the pastor is talking about the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd husband?" To which she quietly replied, "No, I think he's talking about her legs. I'm not sure if they ever closed before with 25 children."
That's all, folks. See you next time.